There was a time I was addicted to distractions. My mind was cloudy, my focus non-existent. I would wake up, reach for my phone and lose hours. Days turned into weeks of wasted potential. Then something shifted. I made a decision, a hard one. I isolated myself, deleted everything, unfollow everyone. No YouTube, no Instagram, no noise. Just me, silence, and a commitment to understand how my mind actually works. And next, my focus sharpened, my thoughts cleared, my energy returned, and in just 21 days, I became someone I didn't even recognize. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. First habit is simple, but it's not easy. It's a 3-week digital detox. No YouTube, no Instagram, no TikTok, no unnecessary screens. Your brain needs to rewire. This is the reboot phase. Your mental operating system needs to be wiped clean. And that is what you do instead. You create, you move, you learn, you connect face to face, you explore, you get bored. And here is the secret. Boredom reveals your creative genius. Because when there is no dopamine hit waiting, your mind searches for meaning. It searches for purpose, and that's when the real work begins. Your environment shapes your identity. If you hang out with 5 lazy people, you become the 6th. But if you are surrounded by builders, creators, athletes, you absorb their discipline. So here is habit 2. Detox your environment. Toxic relationships, cut them. No guilt. They drain your energy and distract you from your goals. Keep your circle tiny, but powerful. One friend with ambition is worth more than 10 without direction. But it's not just people, it's the content you consume. For 6 months, I controlled what entered my mind. I created a fresh YouTube account, filled it only with content aligned with my vision. Entrepreneurs, creators, high performers. And slowly, my language changed. My thinking shifted. My entire perspective transformed. Your brain adapts to what you feed it. There are 2 types of people, consumers and creators. Consumers buy, watch, scroll, invite, and waste. Creators build, solve problems, provide value, and get paid for it. Habit 3 is the shift. Stop being a passive observer of life. Stop watching others live their dreams while you scroll and consume. Start creating. Build something, offer value, become needed. When you make this shift, when you understand that your mind and your time are your most valuable assets, you stop wasting them, you become intentional, you become dangerous. Now that your mind is clean, your environment is aligned, and you have shifted your identity, habit is structure. You wake up with purpose. Your day has blocks. Time to work on your goals. Time to learn and grow. Time to move your body. Time to create something meaningful. Time to rest and enjoy life. And here is the truth. You are not your past. You are the system you commit to daily. This stage isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. You will fail sometimes. That's okay. What matters is that you return to your system every single time. Because once you live with intention, every day becomes a training ground, and the new version of you starts to emerge. Most people think focus is about willpower. It's not. It's about what you allow in. Every piece of content you consume is either building your mind or breaking it. A 13-second reel, a toxic argument in the comments, background noise from a show you are not even watching. All of it is shaping your neural pathways, quietly, constantly. So, habit 5 is this: become the gatekeeper of your mind. I stopped consuming randomly. I stopped letting the algorithm decide what I think about. Instead, I made a list: 5 topics I want to master, 5 areas that align with who I'm becoming, and for 19 days, that's all I consume. Books on focus, interviews with builders, documentaries on discipline. Nothing else passed the gate. And here is what changed. Stopped feeling lost because a distracted mind has no filter. Everything feels urgent. Nothing feels meaningful. But a curated mind knows exactly what matters. It moves with precision. Your mental feed is your invisible mentor. Choose it like your life depends on it, because honestly, it does. Everything is hard in the beginning. It's hard to quit a bad habit. It's hard to acquire a good one. But when you understand how habits work, how your mind works, when you realize that 7 to 21 boring days can flip your life into something you haven't even imagined, a completely new version of you is born. Not a small improvement, not a slight upgrade, a new person with new habits, new energy, new focus, new power. And that person is unstoppable. If this resonated with you, if you are ready to reclaim your focus and transform your life, I have created the Focus Reset Kit for you. It's free. It's your 21-day roadmap. Everything you need to detox, redesign your environment, shift your identity, and build unbreakable focus. All in one guide. Go to igrowdigital.com, grab it, start today. And subscribe, because in the next video we are going deeper into the psychology of habits, the science of focus, and the systems that keep you locked in. Let's go.